Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Virtual labs are online environments that simulate the experience of physical laboratory. They use computer-based simulations and interactive tools to replicate the processes and experiments typically performed in a physical lab. These virtual environments allow students to conduct experiments, collect data, and analyze results without the need of physical lab space or equipment. What difference can virtual labs make in the lives of students? Here are some key points. First and foremost, virtual labs enhance accessibility. Virtual labs enable students to perform experiments from any location with an internet connection, making education more accessible to those in remote or underserved areas. These labs can be designed to accommodate students with disabilities, providing an inclusive learning environment. Next one is cost efficiency. By eliminating the need for physical equipment, materials, and lab space, virtual labs can significantly lower costs for educational institutions. Virtual labs can serve a large number of students simultaneously without the constraints of physical resources. Virtual labs also ensure safety. Students can engage in potentially hazardous experiments without the risk of injury, ensuring a safe learning experience. Virtual labs allow students to make and learn from mistakes without real-world consequences, fostering a trial-and-error approach to learning. Virtual labs enhance learning experience. Virtual labs often include interactive elements that engage students and make learning more dynamic. They provide visual aids and simulations that help students understand complex concepts more easily. Virtual labs offer flexibility in learning. Students can conduct experiments at their own pace, allowing them to fully grasp the material. Virtual labs enable students to repeat experiments multiple times to ensure understanding and mastery. These can be integrated with curriculum. Virtual labs can complement traditional teaching methods, creating a blended learning environment that leverages both physical and virtual resources. They can be tailored to meet specific curriculum standards and learning objectives. Virtual labs help in developing technological skills. Using virtual labs helps students develop essential digital skills that are valuable in the modern workforce. Students gain experience with software and tools commonly used in scientific and technical fields. Virtual labs can promote global collaboration. Virtual labs facilitate collaboration among students from different geographic locations, promoting teamwork and global perspective. Institutions can share virtual lab resources globally, enhancing educational opportunities across borders. Now let us know how these virtual labs can be accessed. To help us with that, we have with us Outreach Engineer from College of Engineering Pune, who will share with us how virtual labs are accessed at COEP.
First of all, you need to get register on the COEP virtual terminal unit portal. So just navigate by using Google. You can type COEP VTU. You will get the first link of COEP VTU. Once you go, then you find the enroll tab. So you need to enroll as a user. Then after successful registration, you have to put your login ID and password. Once you successfully log in inside the portal, then you need to add the course which are there. Select the course. The courses are online certification for automation. You can add the course to your account. After that, whatever the plant you want to access, go to the slot. Then there is an option of book slot. You select the particular date and you have to request the slot 4 days prior so that the admin or technical people can ready the particular plant. Then select the date, select the resources from the list of the plant. Okay, you can request boiler and heat exchanger, evaporator, spray dryer. any of the 13 pilot plants, then you need to request that plant. Then once requested, admin will make the slot of particular date and time and inform to you. After that you have to book that slot. Okay, after booking is done, you have to generate the remote triggered link, and that will be available in your account for that particular date and time in the remote test mailing section. Okay, in the mailing section, once you click that link, the logic page will open, and you have to build the logic over there, and then you can run the plant.
Now, let us know about how a virtual lab works.
First, you have to enroll for the virtual terminal unit, and then once you register, then we have the messaging system in that, so you can request the slot 4 days prior, so that the plant will be ready, the prerequisite will be checked, and plant will be ready for your operation. After that, the link will be generated after 4 days at that particular time, and the total plant for a particular duration, maybe 3 hours or 2 hours, will be in the custody of a student. Then he can develop the logic as required, knowing the theoretical portion of the particular plant. Then he can visualize every parameters measurement taken by various sensors like flow sensor, temperature sensor, level sensor at the desk. The mimic will be provided inside the login, and he can run that plant for the particular duration. After the 1 day, the Excel sheet will be generated. All the records or all the readings which he has performed will be logged in that Excel sheet, and we will provide the Excel sheet after his performance, so that he can do the data analysis, or he can plot the various types of graphs from the available data.
Once, virtual labs were considered futuristic, but now it seems the future is here. The virtual labs have arrived, and it will only get better from here.
As you all know, that laboratory is the backbone of engineering education. Unless and until we change our laboratories and make the laboratories as good way to learn in a different way. And that's what has happened, and because of this, you will find students have started thinking, what can I do next? What is next for me? And how can I make this better, better and better?
So, we can surely conclude that virtual labs are powerful tools in modern education, offering a wide range of benefits that enhance the learning experience, improve accessibility, reduce costs, and promote safety. By integrating virtual labs into the curriculum, educational institutes can provide a more flexible, engaging, and effective learning environment for students.